Big up yourself and subscribe to this channel. Watch, like, and share the videos. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified. Yardie, take me to Mitsy's bar. Come out of my taxi. You're in front Mitsy's bar now, brother. What? Alright. But next time, don't drive so fast.
Tom, why you even bother drink and you're so easy to get drunk?
On no share, me try whiskey and water and me get drunk. Me drink rum and water and me get drunk. Me try brandy and water and me get drunk. Me drink gin and water and me get drunk. Me even try wine and water and me get drunk.
Same thing me say. You're easy to get drunk.
Well, right now me convince you water intoxicating. Oh no share. One time me dey give up drinking, you know.
Me not believe that.
Yeah man. One time me dey drunk and swing a baseball bat at me mother-in-law. Me then realize what liquor was doing to me. If me never did drunk, me wouldn't miss.
Tom, the amount of things you go through when you're drunk, why you not give up drinking permanently?
You know, Shay, me read so much about the evils of drinking. Right now, me give up reading. My wife say she have this bad habit. She stay up 2 and 3 o'clock a morning time.
Really? What you up doing all that time?
She waiting for me to come home. One day, me wake up in a hospital, broke up, you know, and she my best friend sitting beside me bed. What happened? What me doing in a hospital?
Well, Last night, me and you was drinking whole heap of liquor. You then go up on the roof and say you're gonna fly around town.
And you never stop me? What kind of friend you be?
Nobody get upset with me. Cause last night, me think you coulda fly too.
Oh, no need fi quench me thirst. If you no want hear more stories,